Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life Real Life, and I'm here to do a project share. Normally this would be a VR, but today's the day everything has to be postmarked, and I'm fixing to pack it up and get it into the mail today, and so there is no time to get anything in. But she is allowing project shares or a VR. And I'm last minute doing this. I'm trying to get in as many as possible, and unfortunately I have overcommitted myself, so y'all forgive me. Y'all know there are some that I will absolutely not miss, and I'm trying to join as many as I can, but I just, I cannot make them all. Yeah, I overdid it. But anyway, so let me show you what I did for Glittered and Glued. Now, in my last video, you saw I had done the tags. So I went ahead and included another one, pretty much the same with the leaves layered. This one I added friends to with a little pumpkin up there, and the back is just plain. And then I added some gold trim and eyelash trim. So since I was doing that, I was already in the process of making those. I made a couple extra, so I'm going to send one her way. And I loved how that one tag turned out so much. But I was out of the little flowers, flat flowers. So I had these roses. They are white. Y'all going to think this is crazy, but I had some markers, and I could not figure out why I could not get them to blend, because I thought they were alcohol markers. I had bought them secondhand, and so I just kind of shoved them aside, and I was like, well, they don't work. They're cheap. They don't work. I don't like the way they colored. They're just like regular markers. I pulled them out today, and I was like, you know what? I need to color this flower somehow, some way. Y'all, I looked at the package. It is not alcohol markers. It's water markers. So anyway, I attempted my first water colored rose or flower that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, it was solid white, so it's not perfect, but hey, I'm trying and I'm learning. We are going to start somewhere, don't we? So I did. I love this paper, and I love this little sticker and the leaf. So that's what I did for the front. I tried to keep it basic. Number one, I just really loved how clean and basic that tag was, but also to try to, whip out a few of these, because I want to, enter as many as I can and support all the channels. The back, I just took some more of the contrasting paper, still in the same paper pad. The one I had showed, what was the name of it? Something Autumn Chill. Yeah, Autumn Chill by DCWV. And so it's got the Velcro on each corner, because I didn't have enough room and it's still sticking. And I want to be careful not to share my information. But, so there's that. And it's just Velcro down. It says fall. I got the green trim again. And that's it. In the meantime, y'all, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching again. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Ring that little bell. Be sure to know when I have another video loaded. And I will be having my giveaway soon. Yay! Y'all have a blessed day.